Stop by and take a look at the 2022 Crosstrek. This all-new four-wheel drive crossover by Subaru fills that spot for a vehicle with true outdoor capabilities, which is comfortably home driving to soccer practice too. The all-wheel drive Crosstrek pulls in the best parts of the award-winning Impreza and adds the details to give this crossover a bit of style among a sea of boring. And since it's a Subaru, you know the Crosstrek is built to last. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, trip computer, fog lights, electronic stability control, clock, tachometer, brake assist. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.